Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start immediately by opening Terminal and getting a reproducible Python runtime. First, install Homebrew if missing, then use PyEnv to install and switch to Python 3. X so you avoid system changes. Once done, export the PyEnv path in your shell profile and restart Terminal. Make sure to verify Python 3 and pip3 versions. That confirms the environment. After verification, create a new project folder and keep Terminal focused there so every next command runs in the right place. You now build an isolated workspace to avoid package conflicts. Create and activate a virtual environment with Python 3 mvenv. Venv and source it. This ensures pip installs to the project only. Next, upgrade pip and install helpful tools like ipython for REPL work and Pylint for quick linting. Once done, open the project in VS Code, choose the venv interpreter, and create a simple hello. Py. Run it with Python hello. Py to confirm execution. Iteratively edit and rerun as you learn. You finish by running and packaging your work. Use Python script, Py or Python M module to run modules, record dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT so others reproduce your environment. When you're ready, test installing those requirements in a fresh venv. If something breaks, first confirm the virtual environment is activated and that you're using the intended Python and pip versions. Make sure path points to the PyEnv or Homebrew install. Reading the error traceback usually shows the missing package or wrong interpreter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.